What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Daniel here. I just wanted to make a quick video. I told you I was going to try to make a video of this new Denali 6.2. Beautiful. It's the new interior. I think it's called Refresh. And it's not the ultimate, but I'm going to show you what's inside here. It's self-drivable. Takes you on your highways. Here's how the key fob goes. Let me see. Right there. You can turn on the back. Look at this beautiful Denali. There we go. Look at that. I'm going to show you the interior. That's where all the beauty comes in. Let me lift this back up. All right. Come on in. Unlock it. Oh, and beautiful wood outline. I think it's called Alpine. The new interior. We got the big screen. Here we go. Your Denali emblem. It's, of course, sunroof. Camera on the back dash. Let me show you the back, and then we'll look up how it looks in the middle. There's the back. It's a little dark. There we go. Sorry, the sun's in the way. 93 degrees right now. And we call that a nice day over here in West Texas. I don't know about y'all, man. This summer has been horrible. Hot. So we're turning it on right now. You got your digital dash. Let me show you. All right. Hey, never mind, it's 110. All right, you got your dash, backup camera, got all your sensors, roll down all your windows, your dual AC. There's your Super Cruise, available when you're driving down. Right now you're not. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to get it. Let me lighten it up. There you go. You can kind of see it. It's on the dash. There we go. So when you're driving, it shows you the miles per hour, the directions. Beautiful, beautiful. Of course, you have this. You can turn it off into the regular camera and back. Beautiful dash. It's kind of wood right here too, and it fades out. Beautiful. Your Bose speakers. Of course, look at the screen. So you'll have your map on this side, and you can still use this other side. So how Dodges are long, at least this one's wide. You can still see the road. You don't have to look down and up on it. So that's one good feature. I love this new interior. And GM outdid themselves with this. I'll take it on a test drive and show you one of these days. But I just wanted to show you the interior. All right, and please subscribe. If there's another badass truck that comes in, I'll take a video of it. We have a Dodge over there that I've been wanting to record. So it's the new Dodge 2022 2500 diesel with the long screen. So I'm gonna make a video about that. But all right, guys, please subscribe. All right, bye.